The tutorial series is a combination of 3 different AR pop-up card projects. Each project teaches different fundamentals of Spark AR Studio. The first project, Snowman, teaches the very basics, like how to set up the tracker image, how to add objects in the scene, how to use custom images, etc. The tutorial is a very detailed step-by-step guide with screenshots for the Spark AR Studio newbies. And the second project, Woodhouse, teaches more advanced topics like the material properties, the layer, the blending options, and how to do the masking trick. And for the third project, Christmas Tree, encourage students to play with 3D. In the tutorial, we let students to build up a bench with only 2D plans, giving them a feeling of how a 3D modeling software usually feels like. Through this process, the students will realize they can actually build 3D objects with 2D tools they're familiar with, like Photoshop or Illustrator. They might have a feeling that 3D softwares are not as difficult as they thought, and this may be the start of their 3D learning journey. By working through these 3 projects, students should have enough skill to create their own target tracking AR effects. And most important, conquer the fear of 3D softwares and advanced digital tools.